Melissa. We're at RVOne Superstores in Tampa, and you're watching Two for the Road.
Hey, thanks Melissa for the shout out for our channel. Hey guys, before I start this video, I want to talk about Melissa and RVOne Superstores. We've used Melissa multiple times for our purchases, and we used RVOne for our multiple purchases. We've actually purchased 3 units from RVOne Superstore, and I'm going to put the link and information down below in our video for contact of Melissa and RVOne Superstores if you are in the market and looking for a great opportunity to upgrade or trade in or first purchase of a travel trailer, fifth wheel, or even a motorhome.
So yes, Tammy and I had purchased a 2022 Jayco Pinnacle, the 36 kpts. It is 40 feet 11 inches long, weighing in at 13,892 pounds. And our fifth wheel is equipped with the More Ride package. As you can see, the hitch area is equipped with a upgrade to help stop and reduce the chucking while driving down the road. We are pre-wired for a generator and solar system, but I'm using it as storage until I figure out what I'm going to do in the future. Okay, heading down the living side of the RV, you have a 40-pound propane tank, and realistically only one pass-through large storage compartment. And as you can see, it has the vacuum cleaner system. It has 110 outlets and satellite hookup if you choose to put a TV inside right there, which I don't understand because there's already a TV provided on the outside just past the entry door. And a really cool J port for adding a gas grill. And now for the utility side. As you can see, we got the 50 amp cord on a reel, but really cool, it is powered to roll it right back in. Units riding on 16-inch Goodyear tires and the More Ride system. The More Ride system provides 4 inches of extra clearance and an access panel for your full-size fridge. And this is the other side of that pass-through storage. On this side, you got the wet bay for your water, filter system, and even your leveling system for the coach. The storage compartment is even big enough for e-bikes. And check out this 5-gallon water jug. Just follow that line up. It leads to the sink in the kitchen, and it also feeds the water for the refrigerator and the ice maker. And here we have 2 more 40-pound propane tanks that feeds this bad boy. And right next to it is our shut-off key for the battery system. Okay, let's head inside where Tammy will give you the tour of the interior.
We're going to head down the hall and straight into the bedroom. Our unit has 3 slides. The king-size bed is one of them. Our full-size closet with beautifully mirrored doors. Our room includes a dresser and also an entertainment center, including one of the 3 TVs. And now off to the bathroom. Our bathroom is beautifully designed with a lighted mirror and a vessel sink. And my favorite part, the shower. Take a look at this beautiful tile and awesome shower head. As we head to the kitchen, we have some storage right here for coats and umbrellas. And right here we have our Jayco Command Center, which controls about everything in the unit, from air conditioners to water heaters, lights, and awnings. We even have an internal vacuum system under the stairs. And now for this gorgeous farmhouse style kitchen. In our kitchen, we have plenty of overhead cabinets. and look at the extra features for better organizing. A wine rack, a convection oven, a 4-burner stove, and a turkey-approved oven. And a must-have for us, a full-size residential refrigerator. And check out this island with a farmhouse sink. And remember, earlier in the video, the 5-gallon water bottle? And one of my favorite parts of the kitchen is this beautiful pantry. And here is our dining area with a lovely buffet and seating for 4. And moving on to the living area. Here are our reclining chairs with heat and massage, along with a full-size couch that pulls out to be a queen bed, with plenty of extra storage overhead. And then finally, our living area entertainment center, with a TV, AM/FM radio, and a beautiful fireplace.
All right, so that's the tour of our RV, but there's one more thing I wanted to show you, and I saved it for last. So there's this little thing up here on the ceiling, that little guy right there. So watch what it does. Jayco! Jayco! Interior lights. Oh, isn't that crazy? It's called Jayco Voice Command. It's available only in the High Point and the Pinnacle fifth wheels. I do suspect that they'll probably start sneaking them into other units as time goes by. So I just wanted to show you one of the features. Okay, Jayco. Interior lights. So the Jayco Voice Command has 14 different options. I haven't gone through them all to actually test them out, but one of them I liked really well. Let's say, for example, here we're sitting here in the theater chairs, just sat down, you got the movie starting, and you got your bowl of popcorn, and you just go, Jayco! Movie mode! And watch the lights. Turns down all the lights into dimming position, and there you go. So pretty cool stuff. I guess over time you can go in and periodically check and download additional programs. I guess as they develop new stuff, it does have room to add more stuff onto it. So I think that's a pretty cool feature. It also includes, I know for sure, is turning on and off the outside lights. Don't know if it actually rolls in or out the awnings, but that would be interesting. I'll have to try it when we go camping sometime. So anyway, thanks for checking out the tour of our new fifth wheel. And of course, you know our channel, we're going to have to do the change of the icon and some other things on there because we were using the motor home for it. So anyway, thanks for checking out Jew for the Road and the tour of our RV. Happy camping.